Hey everybody, welcome to Goals Finishing. My name's Josh Ersick and welcome to my channel. The first thing we'll be working on out of the three categories is finishing furniture. Some days we'll be refinishing tables. I got a nice mailbox out front that needs a good touch up, so we'll be working on that. Learning different paints and stains and how to make that wood texture pop, or even hide it with a nice thick coat of paint and make it very durable for the next 50 years. The second thing we're going to be working on is more of an arts and crafts approach. With hand tools, I'm going to try and keep it as simple as possible because I know a lot of people, like me even, that can't go out and just buy a $500, $1,000, table router or a bandsaw or something like that. So I'm going to try and use hand tools as best as I can. So we're going to try and do some crafty stuff where, maybe one week we'll be doing a Christmas tree made out of MDF that's going to be painted green. You can gift out to friends and family. We'll be doing giveaways as well, so make sure to hit subscribe. And then the third thing is working on the house. So I actually bought a brand new house just recently. I wouldn't say brand new, it was built in 1960, but it's brand new to me. And so we're going to be working on home renovations and home improvement projects, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have any comments or questions, drop them in the comment box below. We will stay in touch, and I hope the best for you. Continue watching, hit subscribe. Thank you guys.